Welcome to this technical guide on the HP13 or. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP13 or won't charge at all, you're likely experiencing a common issue that can stem from a faulty battery or a damaged power input. If left unresolved, this can lead to further complications, including potential data loss or complete device failure. To tackle this problem, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery for the HP13 or. Start by ensuring your device is completely powered off. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, placing them somewhere safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, take your plastic opening tool and gently insert it into the seam between the back panel and the laptop body. Carefully pry the panel open, making sure not to damage any of the internal components. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery connected to the motherboard. The issue often lies here, so locate the battery connector. Gently disconnect this by pulling it straight out, ensuring not to pull on any nearby wires. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Be mindful of the types of screws, they can vary in size. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery from its compartment. Take your replacement battery and align it correctly in the slot. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, making sure not to over-tighten them as this could cause damage. Now, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's seated firmly. As you proceed, be careful not to disturb any other components in the vicinity. After that, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it correctly and press down gently, ensuring it snaps back into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel firmly. Power on your HP13 or and check if it starts charging. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to regularly clean your charging port and avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces that can block ventilation. Additionally, always use the original charger recommended by HP to maintain battery health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.